Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essential checks so you get results fast. First, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and volume is audible, then open Settings and go straight to Apps. Select the affected app and confirm notifications are toggled on. Grant alerts permission if prompted. Next, disable battery optimization and allow the app to run in background. That prevents the system from silencing pushes. Once done, force stop, then reopen the app, and send a test notification to verify progress. Now you tackle the more involved middle steps that often hide the problem. Open the app's notification channels and set priority, sound, and vibration so alerts aren't suppressed. Some channels default to silent. Make sure both the app and your operating system are up to date, then clear the app cache and only clear data if you know your credentials. Also verify account sync, network permissions, and that the app is signed in. Inconsistent sync can block pushes, so re-authenticate if needed. Finish by restarting the device to apply changes and test notifications again on Wi-Fi and cellular networks. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app after backing up any local settings. A fresh install often restores notification behavior. As a penultimate step, reset app preferences in system settings to restore defaults without wiping personal data. If nothing works, consider a factory reset only as a last resort. Quick troubleshooting tip: test with a second device or account to isolate whether the problem is device or server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.